what's up, viewers and subscribers? I don't know, say it's a boy Face Skull, and welcome to another video. Welcome to my channel. As me I say, if you have not yet subscribed, please give the video a subscribe and like the video. As me I say, so that people can get so the video can get shown to other people. Alright, so in this video, what I'm gonna do right now is just to go through the top songs that are actually trending in Jamaica right now. As you can see where I'm at, I'm on YouTube charts. Is me I say, so I'm doing at the Jamaican side. So basically, as you can see, these are the top artists them in Jamaica as of November 10th to December 7th 2025. Is me I say. So at number one spot we have Current Law with 7.7 million views. You know what I'm saying? You have Skipper at number second spot with 6 million views. Vibes Cartel at the third spot with 5 million views. Massacre with 4 million. You know what I'm saying? Squash at the number fifth spot with Squash at the number fifth spot with 4.2 mil views. Tamale 6th spot. You know what I mean? Alakadan they are 7, Jamal 8, Popcorn they are 9th spot, DJ Mac they are 10th spot. You know what I'm saying? And the list goes on. Skilly Ben they 11, Malidan. Wait. Malidan he did the third couple months ago, you know. Is it me down there 12 and now. And the list goes on and on, is it me? So this is as of the last 28 days. Is it me? So I changed that to the last 7 days because a weekly we do this. Is it me? As you can see, right now not really changed that much, but it's just that Tamale Massacre go up the numbers them. Is it me I say? Is it me? So Tamale they the third spot right now, and Massacre the fourth spot. As you guys may know, you know what I'm saying, Massacre and Tamale has been warring, is it me I say, lyrical war, is it me? Want to comment in the comment section, let me know who you feel like I win the war so far, is it me I say, because Massacre job theme tune and you know Tamale a job theme tune said way, is it me? Songs them in Jamaica as of December 1st to December 7th 2025. As you can see right here, so we have Be Loved and Blessed. This is by James, you know what I'm saying? We have WYFL, What You Feel Like, think of the song name, by Skipper and DJ Mac and the Crash Dummy. Is it me I say? Out of Control, Tamale Sparta. This is a diss song to Massacre. Is it me I say? As I can say, they about 445k views right now on YouTube, and they at the number third spot. Is it me? Fourth spot now we have Massacre with Vane. Is it me? 425k views right now. They're the fourth spot said we. This is a diss song for Tamale said we. Is it me? So them a song hold on there, I'm gonna song. Oh, that is new record. G's and T's. Boom. I hope now hear me better now, cause the thing never the record, brother. Let me fix this. Better. I mean, alright, so I'm supposed to can hear me much better right now, isn't me? Alright, so what we did yeah, Massacre number 4th spot with Vane. At number 5th spot we have Tamale with Birthday. Is it me I say? Another Massacre this. As you can see there, number 5th spot with 374k views, you know what I mean? And then we have Charlita and Skilly Bang with Without You, you know what I mean? So this is a collab between Charlita and Skilly Bang, is it me? This is at the number 6 spot. This is a nice song, is it me? Bad song. And then at the number 7 spot now we have Massacre with Tears. Another this song for Tamale at a number 8 spot now. You know what I mean? You have Destroyer by Tamale. Sparta said we another diss track for the Massacre. So as I can see, right now, really and truly, a Massacre and Tamale have most of the song them on the charts and right now for the past week from December 1st to December 7th. Is it me? Today at December 12th, really and truly. But is it me? And then we have Enchanting by Irish Struts or whatever. Again the pronounce. Is it me? At the number, what will they know? Number 10 spot now we have Jermaine Edwards with Fight for Your Life. You know what I'm saying? This is actually a Christian song. So really and truly, not only dancehall a trend on the charts in Jamaica, we have gospel music a trend said we. You can make an ear piece of this song. Hold on. As I know the copyright thing go, we can't really play too much of this song. So you come too far, you just can't turn back now. Yeah, it's a good song, isn't me? For all the Christian people, man, all the sinners them too, isn't me? For all who want to, be godly and listen to some good music, some clean music. So what me gonna do right now, I just go through the song them so they can hear the song them individually. So at number 1 spot again we have this song. And you see that this song has been trending for quite a while right now. Is it me? Months this a song on the pan charts. Is it me? So they are number 1 for months. I'll be more blessed. Yeah, this is a good song too, is it me? And then we have Skipper with WYFL. This is a bad song. Let's go. Yeah man, bad song. Let's keep also my. They better tell him yeah man, bad song. It's a nice song for vibes too, is it me? If you just have a little vibes to have a girl beside the thing there. We have number 3 spot now. We have this out of control. This song, sound more like a rock mixed with dancehall. It's a very dark song, is it me? I say it have a vibes. If you want to get one dark mode, this is a song to listen to. Control, Massacre. This, let's go. Skip over some. You see that? Skip over some more. Alright, like what I say, a bad part. Hold on there. As I can see, out of people listen to the most. As I can see the rise, that's what people listen to the most in that song. Yeah. Is it me? So Control by Tamale. Is it me? VN. Let's go. If me say me had to go town for vex. Tamale this. Alright, people listen to the song from out so. Then it take time drop. But this is a bad song. Play for your song. Lift up some pound and I fly around the world. Look a freak, watch your town. We shot fish, more hard for control. Yeah. Can't really play too much out of a song because I don't know the copyright thing. Go. Then we have Birthday. Tamale said we. What I sound them bad, honestly. It's bad. Real bad. The suicide note have a matty full of hollow pussy, you know, try bolt. Got shock up in your mama like toy. Bad song. Then we are Without You. Let's go. A girl have a nice vibe. Isn't me? Nice voice. As I can see, how that's how people listen to the most. How would you that so? I must kill them part of that song. Hold on there. Tell me where I'd be without your love. Maybe you'd still live with your ex. No man. Yeah man. Alright. Tears. Massacre. Let's go. Alright, so as I can see, upon this song here, at the intro, catch a whole heap of people, you see me I say? But then people take time, drop. Alright, so let's skip out some of it. Yeah, man, bad song. Then we have Destroy. Let's go.
Was a Purple Island, big city from Camina.
Like most people listen to the whole of that song.
Fish and crooks in the swamp, pussy and yam. One wrong. Shit more better talk. Swimming on the same pond.
Now I go play the whole light still.
We have landed money and drugs.
Bad song. Then we have Enchanting. Let's go. You know what's one? Hold on. You know what's one artist could have name Enchanting? Female artist. This would be a bad name for a female artist. Enchanting. Yeah. Most people listen. Oh, that's okay. Play that song. Alright, nice looking female. Bad song too. Anyways, alright, so number, where were they again? Number 10. So quick reach at 10. I'm play this already. So as you can see, the chart go further out. It's top of 20. You know what I mean? But me normally top of 10. You see me? So we have other song on the chart. You see me? So yeah, me I say if you want to get more video like this, viewers and subscribers, ensure you subscribe to the channel. Ensure you click the subscription button. Give it a video, make sure you give the video a like and share the video. You know what I mean? So you can get notified when a new video drop. You see me? Without no further ado, you don't know. Face call out. Boom!